Alright, so at the end of last mowing season, I picked up this John Deere 216, which I put in another video. And when I put it away for the season, I pulled the battery out, and I went and I bought a brand new battery for it this spring, or right now. And because this is the battery that another 214 that I have, oh sorry, this is a 216. A 214 I have has this battery, and I made a video showing how the battery works really well and fits in the spot. So buying that battery, planning on putting it here in the 216, I forgot that the previous owner rewired like this, and I had a lawn garden tractor battery in here. And I've already got this battery, so now what am I going to do? Well, I'll tell you what. Go to the auto parts store. I picked up this marine terminal package, so it looks like I can put this right on the posts. And look at that. There's some threaded posts we can work with moving forward. Alright, so I got the adapters put on here. And the positive is on this side. And so what I'm going to do to mark that, just for future reference, I got a red paint marker here. I can do this with some paint too, but this is easier than breaking out a can of spray paint. So you could actually get these things already painted black and red, a couple dollars more. I think these were $7.50 for this set. The colored ones were $9.50 at the auto parts store. So there we go. That's the red. And I guess you could put black on there too if you want, but that'll help. All right, fine, you talked me into it. Just took a big black marker here and went black on that side. So all right, let's put her in the tractor here. All right, so the positive went on just fine because the hole is big enough for the connection, but the negative wire, it's not going on. So I'm gonna have to just drill that out a little bit to get it to go over that terminal. And there was this other grounding cable, it's grounded right there, that same thing, just a little bit small. So we'll drill them out a little bit. All right, so I ended up drilling that out, and in the process of getting my drill bit out of the box, I cut myself on the drill bit. But anyway, there's that one, and this one actually broke off when I was trying to drill it, so I had to put a new end on that one. Bummer. Alright, so here we are. We got the negative connected, we got the positive connected, and this is a number 26 battery. So let's give it a crank and see what happens. Choke. There we go. Oh boy, you're gonna stay running? He's right there. Anyway. Alright, so there we go. There's my battery mod, just because I bought the wrong battery and I didn't feel like returning it. So there we go. Thanks for watching.